Today I'll show you how to use Melodyne in Studio One. And by that I mean the Melodyne integration, which is so cool. Now, for those of you who don't know, in other DAWs using Melodyne, you have to record the whole vocal into Melodyne in order to begin actually pitch correcting with it. However, if you are a Studio One user, it's so simple. So here we have our vocal. We can either press Ctrl and M, or we can right click and say Edit with Melodyne. Just like that, you have the entire take in the Melodyne window. The BPM is set. If I change the key within Studio One, it changes in Melodyne. It's now safe to say that Studio One has the best integrated pitch corrector. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and try and have a great day.